Bora Bora.
And it's hot. Crazy.
Necklaces for you, Mrs. Welcome again.
On our boat taxi. Hey, throw it back. This water is insane.
They do have the hammocks.
Here's the room tour.
You walk in, this is the view you're met with. Here's the bed with some gifts and treats or something like that. Oh, I think we take that bag.
Got some gifts. I think those are like
I hope
Lay's.
it's macaroons.
And then
We can see some fish down there right now.
crazy.
We go over here. Cabinets empty. Come over here. An espresso machine. Open this. They refill this every day. It's all inclusive.
Oh yeah, we should have the cookie. Should we have it right now?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna eat this cookie.
There's only a couple espressos.
Pull it apart. I think it. Ooh, cheers. Wait, what kind of cookie is it?
Pecan something. Very good. Actually, it's really
Pretty good. So welcoming.
And then we look out here. We got the chairs, lounge chairs, regular chairs, hammock, where we can go snorkeling.
And a dock. It's pouring rain right now. Like I'm literally soaked. But it's gonna be really pretty when the sun comes out.
There's champagne, complimentary. Sofa, for if camera gets mad at me.
Some dancing.
Dancing. The bath. Restroom. Canadian.
What?
No, I don't know. The flowers are right there.
And then we have a little view
A little
right here.
Shower, all inclusive. Don't have to pay to shower. Vanity. Yeah, and then we're over the water, obviously.
Over the water. The bathtub. We didn't even show the bathtub. The
I thought you
bathtub.
showed the bathtub.
Oh. More flowers. We got more of a view of the ocean. So cool. Robes.
Cookies.
A little spirit thing. This is insane.
Oh my god.
Best hotel room I've ever stayed at. That's for sure. Oh wait, actually might be clearing up. You can see the separation in the water where it gets dark and then
It's not raining.
lighter.
It's not raining.
No? Okay. This is insane. I'm enjoying my cookie too. So pretty.
They strategically put coral under.
People don't just like eat. This is the craziest thing ever.
Cameron's enjoying the coral reef. Look at her go. It's right under, and there's a bunch of fish down there. Isn't that crazy?
I don't know what this is. Did you get that fruit thing?
I don't play.
So good. Breakfast of the day with this view. Yay.
I'm ready. Okay,
Wait, is it like really shallow?
just cannonball.
Okay, ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
cannonball.
It is so shallow.
Tell us about your experience.
Huh?
Tell us about your experience.
Good, my feet touch the ground. It's like a big pool.
The big pool. Our big pool.
It's finally stopped raining. Kinda. It's sprinkling a little.
Had a couple Clash of Clan attacks to do.
Oh, are there people there? Here, get over here with the view. Okay. Married life.
Married life.
Where?
Went under the rock.
Gosh, I'm scared. Oh, it was slippery. Finally stopped raining. There's like some private bungalow over here. This looks insane. I don't even know if anyone's staying in there, but that's gotta be a pricey ticket for sure. We did some paddle boarding. They offer free paddle boards at the hotel. So that was really fun. Here are the paddle boards that we used. And we saw a dachshund puppy, or it was like a dachshund mix.
I think it was a Chiweenie.
It was so cute on this like little private property area, and I really wanted to take it home. But it was so cute, and it reminded us of Duncan. So that was nice to
Does
see.
the vlog know Duncan?
No, Duncan's our dachshund puppy. I
He's a little
forgot.
beast.
I just thought everyone knew who Duncan was. But we're gonna do some pics. We just get to watch the ocean before bed.
Did you see that
From
yellow
our
one
bed.
down there? The one you like?
No.
It's by the bigger coral.
Oh, it's not a flounder. I keep calling it flounder. What is that?
I don't know.
I need to look up what that fish is. It's reflective. Here is so cool. Woo. It's starting to clear up a little bit. The sun is coming out. So pretty.
What, you're getting hit? I'm getting wet.
On the boat.
The last one standing.
All the peeps. There's definitely some kind of storm coming in. Wait, that looks scary. Do you see that? Oh. But then it's clear here, so hopefully that doesn't come this way. Oh my gosh. That looks scary. I'm gonna take some pictures of you. Where the fishermen go. Can't even see on the camera, it's so small. A little tiny hut. Really cool shells I found. Yeah. We're gonna throw them back in the water though. These cool shells. Okay, we're gonna throw them back. Be free.
Authentic.
There's the island where Leonardo DiCaprio stays. $35,000 a night. Somewhere over the bay.
Leonardo DiCaprio stayed there.
And the Prince of Dubai.
Yeah. The bowling ball.
This one line in the middle. Just little bit here. Okay.
You got it.
Here?
Okay. Yes. There you go. Yeah. Okay, good.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, good.
Woo! Nice.
It's a little coconutty on the inside.
Amazing. The waves are waving. Wait. Everyone's out and about. The sun is out. Well, it was. It is.
Oh, it's gone again.
Yeah. Ooh, we're off to dinner.
So they give us 2 free beers every day, so I drink the beers right before happy hour,
Yeah.
and then we catch a nice little buzz.
Those my heels. My heels are not meant for this boardwalk.
Oh, we gotta walk.
But we're gonna have some drinks at happy hour and then go to dinner. It's very hard to film with you.
'Cause I'm tall.
Yeah. A little bit of a sunset and a little bit of a...
Because I'm your dream
Wait, I
man.
should walk slower. My heels are like... My heels broken? What's going on? What was this drink?
The High Moana.
Hi, Moana. And then they give us... I already ate all the olives and coconut.
Vodka, Malibu, and banana juice. And the banana juices here are very good. Bananas are very, very good here. It's very good.
Last night in Bora Bora, so we're gonna do some makeup and try to look cute.
Be on the lookout for the coconut content.
I'm really enjoying these robes from these hotels. I never wear robes, but I feel like I need a nice resort styled robe because, I don't know, they just make it so fun to relax in. It's eating the welcoming beef at this restaurant. I gave him mine.
It's cold,
It's cold.
which is weird, but it's actually pretty good.
It's good.
I'd say it tastes...
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the taste is.
Okay.
But it's a very specific taste of beef.
And we got some bread. You're still hungry?
Still hungry?
Yeah.
No, I drink a lot, so I'm not
How's
super...
the beer?
The beer's good. It's the strongest beer they have for 48. It's filling me up. I'm still having dessert though. You already know how I do. If you've been tuning into the vlogs, you already know. Big Papa don't play with dessert.
A little too much to drink. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh no.
That's
Not
right.
the dancing.
Polynesian style. Oh my god.
Back to the bungalow we go.
Look, a shark.
Oh. Oh, that's a small one.
Yeah.
That's a baby. So cute. One last dance to do
One
before we
last
leave.
dance for Bora Bora. Here we go.
Oh,
Don't hurt yourself.
don't hurt
Don't
yourself.
hurt yourself. It's so fluffy. Don't hurt yourself.
The technique is crazy.
See that?
Very nice. With his
In
new
honor
shirt
of
he
Bora
got
Bora.
too. In honor of Bora Bora. Woo!
So you have to pluck those off.
Oh. Okay. And then raffles. These are for girls only.
Yeah, I don't get a partake.
I don't think they gave the guys. Oh wait, no, he's doing one. I feel like I should throw some more flowers in it though.
Yeah. You should definitely get more flowers.
And then when you go onto the next one, you just wrap it around. Yes. I love that.
I feel like I need to put more leaves.
And with almost finished product, there's a sneak
This
peek.
is really hard. especially when it's really windy. Yee, I love my little flower crown. I'm surprised it's staying in with this wind, but we're gonna embrace it for the next hour or so. It's so cute. It's finally out. It's perfect.
It only took a couple days.
It only took a couple days,
and
but
for us to be leaving.
yeah. Yay! Because we weren't thick enough, we got some creme brulee.
It looked good, so I figured we had to try it. We're only here for a couple more hours, so we had to try it.
Let's try. Oh.
Ooh. Dang.
Oh wait,
That's thick.
this is a bit like mukbang. Okay, try it.
That's good. That is good.
Outer shell is so good. Oh yeah, maybe like that. You can hear like the crunch. Bomb.